What's going on, boys and girls? Today we're going to be doing a really easy recipe. Well, I guess it's easy for me because I cook my ribs like this all the time. But we're going to be cooking some marinated baby back ribs. It's a simple recipe. If you try it this way, they'll always come out good. Here we go. Oh yeah, we're going to get the grill out. It's 71 degrees outside today, guys. And we're in, what month are we in? February the 8th. 71 degrees. Oh yeah, I got the smoker going. This is about 220 degrees. Let's do it. All right, guys, you know me. I got some Tony Chachere's marinade. I put these in the marinade this morning, so they've been in there for probably about 4 hours. That's some chicken that I'm going to be cooking as well, and that's chicken marinade right there. I'm not really doing a video on the chicken, but I'm going to be cooking that on the smoker as well, so we can eat that during the week. Anyway, we're going to marinate that. We got our grill heated up to about 220, and we'll go up there here in a little bit. Alrighty, y'all. So the ribs have been marinating for about 6 hours or so. The longer, the better. But the fact that it goes, the marinade goes on this stuff right here is just going to make this meat taste really good. So we're going to put these on the grill, 220 degrees for about an hour, hour and a half. We're going to put them up there naked. Don't throw away your marinade back there because you're going to be using that again. So let's take it over to the grill. All right, we got a bunch of other stuff up there. The chicken's not quite done, so we're going to put the ribs on this level right here. Again, we're at about 220 degrees. Going to go for about an hour, hour and a half, like I said before. All righty, so the meat has been in the smoker for about an hour and 20 minutes. Got that smoke flavor. Then we're going to take it in the house. We're going to wrap it up. We're going to increase our temperature on our grill to about 300 degrees, and we're going to let them stay up there for about an hour and a half, 2 hours, guys, and these babies will be done. All righty, so we got the ribs in our little aluminum pan. I sprayed the bottom of that, guys, so it wouldn't stick, and we're going to take our marinade and put it directly on top of this, and then we're going to cover this thing with some heavy foil to make it airtight. All right, so we got some marinade in there on top of it. We're going to pour a little bit of beer up here too, y'all. And this is just something I've started to do here lately, guys. It really soups up the flavor, but it gives it a lot of moisture. So I poured about half of that in there. I really don't know what I'm going to do with the other half. I really don't. All right, we're going to cover this baby up, and we're going to put it in the oven. All righty, and I've got that all foiled up, and I just wanted to show you this foil. This is some heavy-duty, long foil. Now, you can use the regular aluminum foil, but if you cook as much as I do, I would invest in some of this stuff right here, guys. I got this from Uline, I think it was from, and it comes in handy, and it takes forever to go through it, and it's a lot thicker than your regular Reynolds wrap. Even the heavy duty, it's a lot thicker than that. All right, into the smoker we go. All right, we got it on the grill. It's still not at the temperature, but I'm gonna let that temperature go up with the pan already in there, and we'll come back in about an hour and a half, 2 hours. These things will be done, guys, and they'll be fall off the bone as well. Believe you me, I've done this many times, and with these beef ribs, they are always on point. Now with pork ribs, they have to stay up there a little bit longer. With these beef ribs, they'll be ready in about, again, an hour and a half, 2 hours. All right, y'all, I can already tell you it's been about an hour and a half. These babies are done. Look at that, fall off the bone. Nothing's burned down there at the bottom. All right, we're gonna take these in, let them cool off, and then we're gonna have some supper, y'all. All righty, brought these babies inside. Let's go ahead and uncover them. Oh, look at that, y'all. These are some baby back ribs. I can tell you now, they're fall off the bone. I can just tell just by moving them around. These are going to be fall off the bone. If I cooked them a little bit longer, they would be they almost be too soft. Right now, they've got some texture to them. They're real hot right now. That's why I didn't try to pull that bone out of there. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that little like button, and the thumbs up button. It really increases the algorithm to have more people share this video and to see this video and come to this page. Guys, you know what? I'm about 21 people from 5,000 subscribers. So if you know some people that are not subscribed to this channel, get them to subscribe. If you're not subscribed to this channel, subscribe to this channel. I don't think 5,000 subscribers does anything for me, but it does get that information out there so that we can let other people see how different folks cook food. So hope you guys have a great day. Again, like, comment, hit the thumbs up, and we'll be talking to y'all soon. Peace.